Imagine a life where your money works for you. Each month, you receive steady income, not from a paycheck, but from the investments you have carefully built over time. This is the power of living off dividends. No early morning commute, no clocking in, and no stress about stock market fluctuations. Your time is truly your own. In today's video, we'll break down how you can create a portfolio that generates passive income through dividends. From calculating how much you need to retire to practical portfolio building tips and pitfalls to avoid, we've got you covered. So stick around, this could change your life. Living off dividends means your portfolio generates a steady income stream that covers all your living expenses indefinitely. But what does this look like in real life? Here is the magic of dividend investing. You own shares of companies that pay you regularly, generally quarterly, just from holding their stocks. These payments can be transferred to your bank account and used for everything: housing, groceries, travel, without selling a single share. The beauty of this strategy is its simplicity. Once your portfolio is set up, these payments keep rolling in year after year. No stress, no hassle, just consistent cash flow. The first step in planning for a dividend-based retirement is determining how much money you need. A simple rule of thumb is to multiply your annual income goal by 22 to 28. Why? This range corresponds to portfolio dividend yields of 3.5 to 4.5%, a sweet spot where you balance safety and growth. So step 1, calculate your annual income needs. Let's say it's $50,000. Step 2, estimate your portfolio size. For a 3.5% yield, 50,000 times 28 will give you a portfolio of $1.4 million. For a 4.5% yield, 50,000 times 22 will give you a portfolio of $1.1 million. Of course, most retirees also have additional income sources. For example, Social Security provides an average of $33,000 annually for a couple. If Social Security covers half your income needs, you only need $25,000 annually from dividends. That reduces your portfolio requirements significantly, perhaps to around $600,000 to $800,000. Now, once you've determined how much you need, the next step is building a dividend portfolio tailored to your goals. The key here is balance: income, growth, and diversification. You will want to build a portfolio of around 20 to 60 stocks to reduce company-specific risk. Roughly equal weight each position. No one stock should dominate your portfolio. Diversify across sectors. Avoid putting more than 25% of your portfolio in one sector. And 4, focus on companies with consistent, reliable dividend payout. A diversified portfolio might include high-quality companies like Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, or Microsoft, businesses with strong balance sheets and decades of dividend growth. If you prefer simplicity, consider dividend-focused ETFs like Vanguard's High-Dividend Yield ETF, VYM, or Schwab's Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD. Step 4, there's some risks you need to watch out for. While dividend investing offers many advantages, it's not without risks. Even the most reliable companies can face challenges during economic downturns. During the 2008 financial crisis, 16 of the 60 dividend aristocrats, that elite group of companies with 25+ years of dividend growth, cut or suspended their payouts. So here are the common pitfalls to avoid. 1. Chasing high yields. A stock yielding 8% or more might look tempting, but high yields often signal trouble. A struggling company could be at risk of cutting its dividends. 2. Overconcentration in one sector. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket, such as REITs or utilities. And 3. Ignoring dividend safety. Prioritize businesses with strong financials and low payout ratios to ensure sustainable dividends. A balanced approach protects your portfolio. It's not about chasing the highest yield, but building a reliable income stream that grows over time. Step 5. Maximizing the benefit of dividends. Living off dividends isn't just a financial strategy, it's a lifestyle choice. By following a few simple practices, you can ensure your dividend income grows alongside your needs. Reinvest dividend early. Use dividend reinvestment plans, also called DRIPs, to grow your portfolio faster. Dollar cost averaging. Invest regularly to reduce the impact of market volatility. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on your holdings. If a company shows signs of trouble, don't hesitate to pivot. Remember, dividend investing is a long game. It's about building a stable foundation that lasts through retirement and beyond. One of the greatest benefits of dividends is peace of mind. Even during market downturns, you know your income is secure. There's no need to sell assets at a loss or worry about market volatility. Dividends provide predictable cash flow. Living off dividends is more than a financial strategy. It's a pathway to freedom, security, and peace of mind. By building a diversified portfolio of high-quality dividend stocks, you can create an income stream that sustains your retirement dreams. If this video inspired you, let me know in the comments. What's your retirement goals? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others discover the power of dividends. Until next time, stay financially savvy. See you in the next video.